and welcome back to What's Up Tanuka. Welcome to a new video. So by the title of the video you already know that I'm going to Adi Yogi today, which is in Chikballapur. Now from where I stay by bike, it's showing that it would take me 2.5 hours, which is almost like 90 kilometers. So I'm already on my way. I'm almost 40 kilometers in right now, and yeah, it's a really fun ride once we are out of that city traffic and everything. It's a really empty road, it's peaceful, so yeah, come along. Okay guys, so stopped right here for a quick break, a tea break. So we have already kind of traveled 40 kilometers and we have another 50 kilometers to travel. Up till now there was a lot of traffic on road, but here as you can see the roads are empty. So yeah, let me have some tea and then we'll continue the journey. Our tea is here. So we are not going to waste too much time. I'll just quickly have this tea and we'll get on our way. It's already 5 o'clock and I don't want to really waste too much time because there will be a lot of crowd there. So yeah, let's quickly finish this and get on our way. The road that we are on right now is inside of like a village. I have no idea like where I'm going and where this road leads to, but it's showing on the maps. I'm trusting Google Map here, but this road is inside a village. As you can see, this is the road that I was talking about. We have houses on both sides. This is a very narrow road that we are going on. It's a very narrow road that we are going on. But the people there in the village, they said that this is the right way. So Google did not really disappoint us. I got scared for a minute because the only thing I was seeing was houses all around me. But yeah, right now again we are back to a lovely road. So entering the gate of Adi Yogi now. It says the abode of yoga. This is so beautiful. I was talking about the sky, guys. Just look at the sky. We have some restaurants as well inside where you can have some food because it is quite far from the main city, so yeah, you might get hungry. It's a winding road, if you can see guys. It's a winding road like you have when you go to like mountains. This is that kind of road. I remember the last time I was on this kind of road, I was going to Chikmagalur. It was a very long time ago. As I said, this almost looks like out of a movie scene. It's that beautiful. close to Mahadev. This is They charged us only 20 rupees. So we are entering. Okay guys, so this is our parking, the bike parking, and as I said, they charge us only 20 rupees for this. And also, if you just see opposite to the parking, you have the buses standing right there. So you can also avail of bus if you don't have a car or a bike. Guys, if you want to come to Adiyogi but do not have a bike or a car, do not worry, the government has got you covered. You can take a BMTC bus package that you have. In that package you actually get a lot of other areas that they cover in that package. So there are like 4 or 5 places they cover, and the price of that package is only 550 rupees. But also, if you don't want to do that, you don't want to take that package, that's absolutely fine. You have buses to Chikballapur where this Adiyogi is. From Majestic bus station and also from Hebbal. So you come to Chikballapur and from there you can take an auto or another bus to this place right here to Isha Foundation. And yes, it's that easy. If you don't have a bike or a car, do not worry, you can still come here. These are the buses that I was talking about that come to Isha Foundation directly. So guys, I'm walking from the parking to the main area, and I can see the Mahadev statue right in front of me. I'll show you guys. And the only song playing in my head right now is Jai Ho Shankara, Bholenath Shankara. I'm not singing it because I'm a bad singer, but that is the only song that is playing in my mind. And now let me show you the statue. It's already full completely because it's almost 7 now, and the light and sound show starts at I think 7:15 or 7:30. So the area is already completely full. Let me show you. And it's a weekend, guys. We work a lot throughout the week, so at weekends you definitely have to have some kind of outing to refresh yourself. And what better than seeing Mahadev? Okay guys, so the time that I came, it was almost time for the light and sound show to start, and I think this is a perfect time. I'm not saying that you guys also come this late, come a little early, because then you can see the whole area, the whole compound, what exactly is here. But I'm very excited because I can already hear the hymns of Sadhguru. It's already playing. There was already an announcement made that it's starting very soon, and for every one of us to turn their lights, or even if you have torches, turn that off, because the light and show sound is going to start very soon. So very excited. I just cannot contain my excitement.
In the upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. When his ecstasy allowed him some movement, he danced wildly. Intensity peaked, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had ever known or able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos, they call him a yogi, as he was the first states said, I want to have what you have. Show me the way. Absorbed her and made her a part of himself, and hence he is the Ardhanari, the ideal man, where one half of him is woman.
This is where you enter from, and you have a ATM as well here. And then once you go here, see, you have bags where you can keep your shoes. They give you tokens and you can keep your shoes right there. Guys, you can buy souvenirs from right here. I liked this one. They are telling me this is 250. So yeah, let's see. They're saying this is 250. I don't know if it's worth it, but I really like this, so I'm going to take this. Okay, so finally this is what I've taken. This is a little bigger than the one that I was showing you previously. It says Adiyogi right here. They told that this is 400, but a little bit of bargaining got me this in only 300. So yeah, I really love this one. We waited till the end of the show and this is the traffic that we are having to face. Just look at this endless traffic. Everywhere I only see cars and bikes and buses. Guys, we have already traveled 45 kilometers from Adiyogi towards Bangalore, and we have kind of stopped for a little bit of rest stop here in between, and we have got some coffee. So drinking some coffee now before we start the journey once again towards Bangalore. I have also ordered something to eat as well. That is still coming, so waiting for that. Okay, so here I've got some vada pav, and here I've got cheese pav bhaji. Now I usually do not like pav bhaji too much, but I just thought let's give it a try today. I've now come here to Baskin Robbins and I have taken this cheesecake, and this is blueberry and white chocolate ice cream. This is a small scoop that I've taken. Okay, so I'm going to finish this ice cream now and then leave for Bangalore. As I said, there's another 45 kilometers remaining. And yes, that was the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you're new to What's Up Tanuka, please don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye. Like, share and subscribe.